Doho to koro ni chungo kwayo mar migosi Abala WANGA mane kwayo kakoro giwacho ni nyaka koro giwinjo wach mowuok kuom DPP kata Director of Public Prosecutions mabende biro chiwo wach kotenore kanyo kod wachno endo mabende nodonjne godo migosi Abala WANGA e nyim doho.
Unfortunately, the accused person is not in court today. The accused person is in his post. He was admitted on the 3rd of this month, 2026. And Your Honor, I have a medical report and a radiology report which I can present to the Honorable Court. For that reason, Your Honor, we'll be praying for another mention date. The accused person will have recovered and be in a position to attend court.
Now that Your Honor, the accused is not around and we are just being given the medical documents that we can not able to verify at this time, I'd like to make an application that our investigators will verify these documents, Your Honor, before the next mention date. And Your Honor, we want to be clear on what will happen on the next mention date. This matter we have mentioned many times before CM, Your Honor.
Your Honor, I would join my co-counsel, Mr. Dege, requesting for those 4 weeks. One, pending the verification that the prosecution counsel seeks to undertake. 2, in the hope that we would also in between get the medical report, a further report from the Aga Khan Hospital in Kisumu, where the suspect is admitted. If he's going into theater, we don't know, and we cannot speculate the outcome of that process. So I believe in the circumstances, 4 weeks would look reasonable.